Welcome to our channel, where today we'll walk you through every step to successfully log into your Medium partner account. Welcome to our channel, where today we'll walk you through every step to successfully log into your Medium partner account. Getting started with Medium as a content creator is exciting, because you can share your stories and get paid for quality writing. This beginner guide helps you easily navigate the login process. So you can focus on your writing. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Medium website. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the Sign In button. Click it to begin the login process. Next, you will be prompted to choose a sign-in method. You can sign in using your Google account, Facebook account, or email. If you already have an account linked to these services, simply select the one you used during sign-up. For those who prefer email, enter your email address. Then check your inbox for a sign-in link from Medium. Click the link to continue. Once logged in, you'll land on your personal Medium homepage, where you can start exploring. But since you want to access your partner account, click on your profile icon on the top right. This opens a drop-down menu. Here, select Partner Program or Partner Dashboard. If the wording appears different, this section is specially designed for Medium partner contributors. From here, you can see your earnings, stats, stories, earnings per post, and member reading time. If you don't see the partner option, you might need to join the Medium Partner Program. First, to do this, navigate to the Medium Partner Program page and follow the steps to enroll. Eligibility includes having a Medium account in good standing and meeting minimum engagement requirements. After enrolling, return to your dashboard to verify access to keep your account and earnings secure. Always log out after finishing your session. To log out, click your profile icon again and select Sign Out. Now you know how to log into your Medium partner account easily and where to find all the important features thanks to this step-by-step walkthrough. Keep practicing these steps. If you're new, and soon it'll become second nature.